Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today we'll talk about the LastPass app, secure password manager, and I'll walk you through step by step on how to use it. So let's get started. LastPass is a password manager that stores all your logged in shells safely in one place. Instead of remembering dozens of passwords, you only need to remember one master password. It also helps generate strong passwords, autofill logins, and keep your data secure across all devices. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search LastPass on your search bar, and after the site pop up, tap on that, then tap on install. Once installed, open up your app, tap create account, and enter your email and a strong master password. This master password is the only one you'll ever need to remember. After that, you'll see your vault. This is where all the logins are stored. Here's the vault icon. Then to add a login, tap the plus button or add item. Here at the top you have the plus button, so tap on that. Then enter your website, username and password, then save it. And you can also import saved logins from your browser. On your phone, go to settings, autofill, enable LastPass. Now wherever you log into an app or website, LastPass will automatically suggest filling in a saved username and password. Just tap the login and you're in, no typing needed. You can use the password generator to create strong and random passwords, enable multi-factor authentication MFA for extra security, share logins securely with trusted people without revealing your actual password. With your account, LastPass automatically syncs passwords across your phone, tablet and computer. This means you can log in easily anywhere, anytime, and that is how you can use the LastPass app step by step. It is a powerful way to keep your password safe and save time logging in. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.